Hi guys, and welcome to this video. And today we will be creating this marvelous effect called the Visor X. This gives you a futuristic visor effect, adds this futuristic visor effect to your pictures and makes them into a video. So to create this kind of effect, all you have to do is to go to this website higgsfield.ai, click on visual effects, scroll and choose the Visor X effect. Here you'll be brought to a page like this. You can just scroll and see the samples created, and if you want if any one of them speaks to you, just click on any of them. And but if you want to create something that is not like what you have seen here, click on the generate icon. So once you've clicked on the generate icon, you'll be brought to a page where you'll be able to upload your image here and describe your prompt. Select your model. You can select any of the models here depending on what you are going for. You can just check their resolution and duration capacity, so it depends on what you want. If you also want audio for some of your effects, you can select any. You can see this is Google View 3, so you can just select any of them, then click on generate to have your video rendered, and within 10 to 15 minutes it would be rendered properly and you can download it to your device. So that's it for this video, guys. Let me know what you guys think about it, and please subscribe to the channel.